Good morning, friends. I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. I am bringing sum and product of roots of quadratic equations, and you will find that they are very easy to calculate. I will be coming up with my notes on this. Hello, friends. I am coming up with my notes on sum and product of the roots. Let alpha beta be the roots of this quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Sum of the roots is minus b over a and product of the roots is c over a. Look here. Right here plus, minus, plus. Sum of the roots is this minus b over a and product of the roots is plus c over a. Now, roots are basically values of x. So, as per the quadratic formula, we have already seen that x is equal to minus b plus minus root d over 2a. Bada bhai sahab, Badargarh, Delhi, Agra. I told you these mnemonics how to remember. Now, there are two roots. One root is minus b plus root d over 2a, and the second root is minus b minus root d over 2a. Let us find the sum. Alpha plus beta. Alpha is with plus sign and beta is of minus sign. They will be cancelled up, but we'll get minus b over a. Look here, minus b over 2a and minus b over 2a. It will become 2 times minus b over 2a plus root d over 2a and minus root d over 2a. They will be cancelled up. So we will get minus b over a. Product of the roots, alpha multiplied with beta, that is alpha beta. If we multiply this with this is of the shade a plus b and this is of the shade a minus b. We will get a square minus b square. And on solving, we will get ultimately c over a. Look here, b square over 4a square and root d over 2a square means d over 4a square. So on solving this, we get c over a. So product of the roots is c over a. Sum of the roots is minus b over a. This we shall be using in our next topic, how to form a quadratic equation. How to form a quadratic equation. Look here. This is the topic. How to form a quadratic equation. When sum and product of the roots is given, we have already found that sum of the roots is minus b over a and product of the roots is c over a. So now divide this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by a on both sides. This a will be cancelled up. This is b over ax plus c over a is equal to 0. This plus can be written as minus minus. So x square minus minus b over a into x, this is x here, plus c over a is equal to 0. So x square minus b over a is a sum and plus c over a is product. So x square minus sx plus p equal to 0. So to form quadratic equation, when s and p is known to you, SP साहब, सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस. सो जब आपको सम और प्रोडक्ट पता हो तो आप क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं. एस की वैल्यू यहाँ लगा दो और प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू पी की वैल्यू यहाँ लगा दो. 1 मिनट में आपकी इक्वेशन बन जाएगी. सो वी कैन फॉर्म ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन व्हेन वी आर नोइंग एस एंड पी. सो एसपी साहब के पास जानना है. So this is how you will go. Now look here. Here the quadratic equation given to you, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. See this example. On factorization, 1x आपने यहाँ लिखना है, 1x यहाँ लिखना है. 6 के रूट्स, 6 के फैक्टर्स 2 and 3 होते हैं, यहाँ फैक्टर्स लिख दीजिए. So x will be equal to 3 and x minus 2 is 0, x will be equal to 2. So alpha is 3, beta is 2. Sum of the roots 3 plus 2, that is 5, and product of the roots is 3 into 2, that is 6. So coefficients of the quadratic equations are a equal to 1, b will be minus 5, and c will be equal to 6. So this is, look here, a is 1, b is minus 5, c is 6. You can verify it. So sum of the zeros is minus b over a, minus 5 over 1, minus 5. Look here, this is also minus 5 means plus 5. This is already we have calculated. And product of the roots we have calculated 6. It is c over a. C is 6, a is 1. It is 6 over 1. That is 6. So we can verify the roots found out by us by this method, factorization method, and we can compare it with the coefficients. So this is how we can verify whether the roots found by us are okay or not okay. So this is what I wanted to teach you today. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. If you like the videos, please do subscribe. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye.